Hey, sorry about the dirty floor, but I'm going to teach how to thumb roll over. You're going to start by grabbing the bite handle with your index finger and your thumb. You're going to practice these rotations to try to get it up as high on your thumb knuckle as possible. You want it to look like this. Practice this. And then let go, and it'll fall right down into your hand. So like this, like a pencil, index finger, thumb, practice, let go, grab, flick it right back up. And then you'll get it down, it'll look like that. Index finger, thumb, knuckle, let go.